Yan, isa-servicing na natin ang ating sasakyan. This is our mechanic. Say hi. So, our mechanic here in Shing Auto. What's up, guys? Welcome to Visayang Tagalog channel. Karon padung ta sa servicing. So pasaservisan natin yung ating sasakyan na si VenZy. So nung nakaraan alis ano na to 2-3 months. So ayan, 80,000 kilometers o ebla kailangan natin i-servicing. So punta tayo ng Shing Auto, dali natin dito ang ating VenZy. So let's do it. So pasok tayo ngayon ng kasa Macan Empire. Patawag tayo sa aming service center. Siya guys, ito tayo sa ito yung dating kapitbahay namin na so punta tayo ng Shing Auto. Sabi nito yung gago na ito, sabi ng kalsada. Anyway, going to Shing Auto. Ayan yung nasa last ano na. Punta tayo ng Shing Auto ngayon. First tayo. Ayan ang Shing Auto. Ayun ang ating mekaniko. So na bahala nito. So let's do it. So simulan na natin ang ating servicing. Iwan na natin sa sasakyan. Magsa-servicing na tayo. Tayo sa yan, isa-servicing na natin ang ating sasakyan. This is our mechanic. Say hi. So our mechanic here in Shing Auto. Shout out. So this is Kauchan. Oh, yan nga guys, madilim. Dito tayo. Ayan, maliwanag. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Shing Auto. Mag-servicing tayo ni VenZy. Oo. General servicing, right? Today we will do the general servicing for my vessel Shing Auto. So kung gusto nyong magpa-servicing, visit their workshop here in Kakibukit. So check nga ang filter. So aircon filter This one? Air filter. Air filter, aircon filter. And so we will do the servicing. Tataasan natin para makita ang ilalim. Doon nila tatanggalin yung oil. They take out the oil. You will see the oil so thick already. Black color already. It's already 10 kilometers. 10,000 kilometers. So every 10,000 kilometers must change the oil. Do servicing. Not only change the oil, do general servicing. So this Shing Auto was located in Kaki. So everywhere today. If you want to do servicing for your vehicle, just come here and find this handsome mechanic. Mr. Cao Chan. So, drain muna natin yung oil. Basta ma-drain na nila yung oil, then tsaka natin siya papalitan ng air filter, and then all other stuff. So ito yung ating ipapalit. This is a oil filter. So this is the oil filter for the vessel, and then the other one is air filter and aircon filter. Ito yung ipapalit sa ating sasakyan. Aircon, and then this one is air filter. Original one. We all use original here. Only the mechanic not original yet. The mechanic also original, no? Number one, copy. Very difficult to copy the mechanic here. Then we already put back the air filter, oil filter, sorry. Make sure clean all the oil. Ayan, babalik na niya yung charge na oil pen. So already done. Spray it. Or make sure all clean. Now general inspection. And pagkatapos natin i-drain ang oil niya, paikutin natin yung cover para mag-refill ng oil. Change oil. Nag-change oil kami ngayon. Yan, pagkatapos ilagay yung cover, check nyo yung pressure ng tire. 28 right? 28? O, 28 right? 28 PSI. Check nyo yung lahat ng gulong. Naubahan na natin para palitan ang filter. So we will put the oil. So that we put the air filter. And just couple block end. Ready to go. Ngayon ang aircon filter. Done. change oil. Ayan, testing. Check the oil level.
Okay, good.
Good.
Okay, complete.
Now servicing complete. It's my turn to shine. To do cleaning. Here's my mechanic. Say hi. Welcome to my vlog. He will make a YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
Soon we will do the vlog here about car. Magiging ano siya, magiging car vlogger. So yan, testing namin. Ikot lang kami ng one road. Test drive. Shoutout tayo muna tayo habang test drive natin ang ating sasakyan. Maraming salamat sa nag-comment na sina Jogas TV Channel, Noreen Vlog, Ka-Mechanical Mix Vlog, Stepar Child Gaming, David and Mercy Report, Be Positive VS, Apocalyptus Mix Vlog, Rich OFW Vlog, Normal 21 Vlog, and Pokapi, Health is Wealth, and Prophecy Study Vlog Philippines, Chef VenZy, Dr. Irene TV, si Krisa Cebu PWD, hashtag Lovely Music TV, Nix and Buds Vlogs, at si Bebslin Bahas. Maraming salamat po sa nag-comment. At kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa aking next video, please comment down below. Isa-shoutout ko ang inyong channel. And now, back to our video. So, yan. How's the condition of the car? Very good. Only dirty inside. Need to clean. So, all done. Now, my turn to shine. We will do the cleaning. I need to do vacuum and wash my car. Okay, let's do it. Ayan, katatapos ko lang mag-servicing. Detail yun. Maraming salamat sa Shing Auto. Ilang service center nasa Kakibuki. O puntahan nyo lang. Ilalagay ko yung description sa baba. Kung gusto nyo magpa-servicing dito sa Singapore, you can go to Shing Auto. And then, maraming salamat kay Kauchan, ang aming mekaniko. The best mechanic in the world. Diba? So, hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat. And see you in the next vlog. Paalam, bye-bye, adios. Meron tayong merch guys, available in 2 design, VisLog, channel, t-shirt. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button below para sa iyong notification. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, please click thanks to support my channel and like and share na rin para maka-inspire tayo ng ibang tao. Comment ka na rin kung gusto mo ma-shoutout sa aking next video. Magkitamay na rin ang aking Facebook page, Pahina ni VisLog. Maraming salamat. Paalam.